Hello everyone, welcome to our Slow English podcast. Today's lesson is called Slow English Audio for Better Understanding. This podcast is for beginners. We speak slowly. We use simple words. You can relax, you can listen carefully, you can understand better. Take a deep breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Good. Let's begin. Part 1. Understanding English slowly. Understanding English takes time. When English is fast, it is difficult to understand, but slow English helps your brain. You can hear each word. You can understand each sentence. Repeat after me. I listen slowly. Pause. I understand more. Pause. My English is improving. Very good. Part 2. Slow listening practice. Now just listen. Do not repeat yet. I sit in a quiet room. I play an English lesson. I listen very carefully. Listen again. I sit in a quiet room. I play an English lesson. I listen very carefully. Good. Now repeat after me. I sit in a quiet room. Pause. I play an English lesson. Pause. I listen very carefully. Excellent. Part 3. Easy words for understanding. Now let's learn some useful words. Listen first. Understand, listen, slow, clear, learn. Now repeat. Understand, listen, slow, clear. Great. Now let's make sentences. I listen to slow English. Pause. I understand more words. Pause. I learn every day. Repeat with me. Very good. Part 4. Short conversation. Now listen to a simple conversation. Hello, B. Hello. Are you listening to English? B. Yes, I am. Do you understand? B. Yes, I understand a little. Now repeat. Hello. Pause. Are you listening to English? Pause. Yes, I am. Pause. I understand a little. Excellent. Now say the conversation together. Hello. Hello. Are you listening to English? Yes, I am. Do you understand? Yes, I understand a little. Great job. Part 5. Listening story. Now listen to a short story. This is Ben. Ben wants to understand English better. At first, he cannot understand fast English. It sounds too quick. Ben feels confused. Then Ben starts listening to slow English. He listens every day. He listens in the morning. He listens at night. He repeats simple sentences. After some weeks, Ben understands more English. He feels happy. Now answer these questions. Who wants to understand English? Pause. Ben. Does Ben listen every day? Pause. Yes. Does he understand more now? Pause. Yes, he does. Very good. Part 6. Speaking practice. Now it is your turn. Answer these questions aloud. Do you listen to English every day? Pause. Do you understand slow English? Pause. How do you practice English? Pause. Good job. Now repeat these sentences. I listen carefully. Pause. I understand more English. Pause. I improve every day. Excellent. Part 7. Daily listening routine. Here is a simple routine. Step 1. Listen for 10 minutes. Step 2. Repeat 5 sentences. Step 3. Speak 3 sentences. This routine helps you understand better. Repeat after me. I listen every day. Pause. I repeat sentences. Pause. I learn step by step. Very good. Part 8. Relaxed listening now. Just listen and relax. Understanding English is a process. Do not rush. Every day you listen, your brain learns more. Even small practice helps. 1 word today, 1 sentence tomorrow. Slowly you will understand more. You are improving now. Be proud of yourself. Final practice. Repeat these sentences. I can understand English. Pause. I practice every day. Pause. My understanding is improving. Wonderful. Closing. Thank you for listening today. Remember, slow listening helps better understanding. Practice every day. Listen slowly. Improve step by step. See you in the next lesson. Goodbye.